Welcome guys, my name is Vijay Venkat. I'm your mentor and trainer. Today we're going to talk about public speaking techniques. You must have heard about public speaking techniques. Even I explored many blogs, many articles, many content about public speaking techniques. But the funniest part was when I was exploring public speaking techniques, there were many techniques which are given, keep your left hand straight, keep your right hand, little bit straight, and left leg, right leg. But I was confused if there were, if these were techniques for yoga or for public speaking. But then I realized this is for public speaking, but then keep that aside. But for me, if you're asking me, then public speaking is more about content, more about confidence, more about research on the content. So if you do some research on public speaking, you will find that content and confidence are the primary things you need for public speaking. Forget about how you keep your head, how you keep your hand, how you keep your legs. Concentrate on the content. Suppose you are speaking on science, suppose you are speaking on math, suppose you are speaking on even public speaking. So do some research on the subject you are going to speak. What is the audience expecting you to speak? That is what is public speaking about. Creating the interest and holding the audience to your sessions. That is what public speaking techniques are all about. So when I say do some research on the content, do some research where you think no one has found an important point. So that point you should capture it, so that audience are looking for that vital point which is very important for public speaking. So you may find many blogs like how to hold your body together, your body language, how to smile, how to keep your head still, and which angle your head should be. All these things are fine. But what about content? So concentrate on content. If your content is good enough, then people will get glued to your content. So keep that in mind. Content is important. So in content, what you are going to do? In content, please give some tips. If they are looking at improving English, then give some tips about how to do what is the importance of vocabulary and how to improve vocabulary. If on grammar, maybe if you're speaking about English, then talk about grammar. Like the importance of grammar. Is grammar important? So keep that the question marks and answer those questions. But if you're talking about if you're giving a lecture, if you're giving a public speaking on importance of English, but you're telling but you're concentrating more on your head and hand movement, then that is not going to hold audience together. So please concentrate on content. That is the only one and important tip I give. Please concentrate on the content and also be confident on the content, because you get confidence on the content when you do research on the content. So these two things are related, the content and the confidence. So keep that research and confidence level high. That will help people get glued to your content. And public speaking techniques is all about having content together, good content. So we have more tips, we have more things to come coming ahead. We have more techniques about public speaking. Right now you can reach us on our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or you can also log into our website